Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super awesome. So this look will be absolutely apt for those who are teachers and doing online classes every day. I know this is very hard to get ready every morning, but students can be sit in front of the laptop screen in their chaddis, but definitely teachers can't, and they have to be a little bit presentable. So I hope you like this video. So without further delay, let's begin. So this is going to be a very simple and practical get ready with me. I am going to use 4 or 5 maximum products which will be very accessible to all of us. Try to keep it very simple and minimal. So I already moisturized my face and usually the classes are happening in the morning, so I assume so after my morning skincare ritual I always use sunscreen. So I am using this sunscreen. So this is the Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Face Dry Touch Sunscreen. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that in my fingers. I hope you guys can see. And gonna warm it up on my between my hands and apply it on my face. So after that I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. I am in the shade 240 golden beige. I know these days it becomes really hard to get ready in the morning because we already have so many household chores, because we don't have our house help right now. So it's really getting hard, but still we are managing. I think we are superhuman or something like that. And those who have kids in their home, I can only imagine their hassle. Since I have a almost 2-year-old toddler in my house, I barely get time for myself. So the next step is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I cannot do without it. So this step is absolutely optional. If you don't usually do your eyebrows, you can skip it, but I think doing eyebrows really frame our face. So I am using this product right here. You have you all have seen me using this product so many times in my videos. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in the shade Ebony. I hope you guys can see me. I'm not going to overdo my brows today. Just a little bit of giving it a shape. And another thing is because we cannot go to the parlor these days, so so many of us's eyebrows are going out of bounds. So I think doing brows have become new get ready ritual for so many of us. So you guys can see I haven't done my brows anything out of the way, just a little bit of it, just giving it a fuller look. And the next part is I'm going to use the kajal, and I'm using my favorite kajal, which is Lakme Iconic Kajal. And I'm going to slightly tightline my lower waterline. I actually like heavy kajal whenever I'm wearing kajal, or else I generally skip it and only use eyeliner. But no, today I'm not going to use eyeliner because I'm not feel like it, and I think most of us don't have that much patience in the morning to do our eyeliner precisely. So I think it should be better to skip that step. Eye part is almost done. I'm just adding a tad bit of extra step, which is using a highlighter on my lids. I'm using the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. You guys can skip it or use any kind of highlighter on your lids. It's going to brighten your face in the morning and make you more alive or awaken. I hope you guys can see. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me over there. My Instagram handle is I am Shayani Dash. You can see over here. I usually upload pics and daily life activities and stories over there. So if you're not following me there, please follow me. So last part is lipstick. I have two options. I have one Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. You have also seen me using this particular shade in so many of my videos. And the second option is Maybelline's Creamy Matte Nude Nuance. This is another of my favorite nude lipsticks. So I think I'm going to go with the Madras Kapi one from Nykaa. Next is I'm going to add a earring. I'm using this earring. It's matching my sari over here, if you guys can see. I'm going to skip the neck part today. I'm not going to wear any necklace today. If you want, you can do it. I'm not feel like it, so I'm skipping it. This is one of my favorite earrings. You can wear it with so many things. This is a very versatile piece. And now just I'm opening my hair. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.